ready to unlock the ultimate pop fan experience. First, download the Weverse app from your app store. Once installed, hit sign up and create an account using your email, Google, Twitter, Apple, or even your TikTok account. Be sure to choose a username you like. It's how you'll be known in the Weverse community. Now, to join your favorite artists' Weverse, tap the search icon and type their name. Once you find them, hit the join button. You can customize your notification settings for each Weverse community so you never miss an update. Explore the artist's feed for exclusive content like photos, videos, and messages. React to posts by liking or commenting, and feel free to share your own thoughts and fan creations in the fan section, making sure to follow the community guidelines. Want some official merch? Head to the Weverse Shop, accessible from the main menu. Browse through albums, apparel, and exclusive goods and items to your cart. Proceed to checkout, and enter your shipping and payment information. Don't miss out on Weverse Live. Keep an eye out for broadcast announcements and tune in to watch your favorite artists interact with fans in real time. You can chat with other fans, send hearts, and even participate in polls during the live stream. Finally, check the events section to participate in online fan meetings, album release events, and more. Follow the instructions to register and get ready to connect with your favorite artists like never before. Now, go forth and Weverse.